Is your Acura TL's alarm randomly going off? The most common culprits are faulty door or hood switches, key fob issues, or overly sensitive alarm settings. First, use an OBD2 scanner. A cheap one from $20 to $100 will work to check for error codes like door ajar, codes like B1000. Then, manually inspect the door and hood switches for corrosion or misalignment. These switches send signals to the car's computer, and a break in that signal triggers the alarm. Consider that urban areas with high electromagnetic interference, such as from 5G towers, are amplifying key fob issues. To reset your Acura TL alarm, insert the key and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Then, press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on your key fob until you hear the horn chirp. If switches are faulty, clean the contacts with electrical cleaner or replace them. Use a multimeter to check continuity. You should see 0 ohms when the switch is closed. A basic reset takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Switch replacement costs $50 to $150 in parts, plus 1 to 2 hours of labor. Newer Acura models use smartphone apps for remote diagnostics and resets.